Hi everyone, my name is Vera and today I'd like to tell you about the updated USDT Algo Trend strategy on EarnPark. As of April 1st, we've completely upgraded the logic behind this strategy, and if you've been using it before that, what you see now is something smarter, stronger, and more resilient. And if you're new here, it's perfect timing. So let me walk you through what it is, why it works, and what kind of performance we can expect. The original version of USDT Algo Trend used a single trend following system. It worked well in strong bull markets, but it also struggled in sideways phases and it showed long drawdowns. We wanted something more robust, something that could handle different market conditions, so we rebuilt it. The new version, Algo Trend V2, is a composite strategy made up of three independent systems, each with its own logic, timing, and strengths. So here's what the strategy is made of. First, a classic trend following model. It looks for price and volume breakouts and enters trades gradually as momentum builds. It performs best during strong directional trends. Second, an impulse based system. It reacts quickly to short term volatility spikes and momentum bursts. It's designed to catch both fast rallies and sharp drops. Third, a volatility and mean reversion system. This one works best on sideways or choppy markets. It looks for local trends and reversion opportunities, helping reduce overall drawdowns. These systems run in parallel and the capital is split equally between them. You don't have to choose, your deposit gets exposure to all three of them automatically. Why does this matter? Because no single system can win in every market, but by combining uncorrelated systems, Algo Trend V2 smooths out returns, reduces volatility, and it helps avoid long losing streaks. It's not about chasing every move, it's about staying positioned for the real trends and filtering out the noise. And the performance of the strategy reflects that. Historically, these systems combined have delivered an average annual yield of around 88%, with a maximum drawdown of minus 12.26%. There's strong performance, but we're keeping the expected APY at 35% for now to stay conservative and give it time to prove itself live. Also important to note, if you invested in this strategy before April 2025, your results might not match the new chart. That's because the strategy logic has changed and the current chart only reflects the updated version. Now, as always, let's talk about risk. First, the full information about standard risks and how we mitigate them can be found on the strategy page, but I'd like to mention some of them here. In low trend markets, the system can go through streaks of small losses. That's a known feature of trend logic, and it's why diversification across three models matters. USDT Algo Trend is a high-risk strategy. It's designed for long-term investing, not short-term gains. And that means drawdowns are possible, especially, as I said already, during low trend markets. But every system has strict stop loss and take profit logic. There's no martingale, no averaging, and no hidden discretion, just fully automated, risk-defined trades. And if you're here for a quick flip, this strategy probably isn't for you. But if you're looking to ride market cycles and capture long-term trend opportunities, that's exactly what it was built for. So to sum up the explanation, instead of a single model, you now get a combination of three. That means broader market coverage, lower volatility, and a system that's better equipped to handle different conditions. It's a smarter strategy overall, more stable, more adaptive, and more balanced. USDT Algo Trend V2 is already live on the platform. You can explore the charts, performance, and full breakdown at any time, and please do so before making your first deposit. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and if anything's unclear, just drop us a message. We're here to help.